Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about AAVE today, and I'm going to show you whether or not it is a buy or a sell. And I'm just going to show you by looking at the price chart to determine whether or not this currency is going to continue to increase in value or will it decrease in value. Welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can see it right now. It's in front of you. I want you and I to be prepared for price movement so that we can capitalize from it and win. That's the name of the game, is to have the competitive edge amongst our our opponents. We got to beat them at this game in order for us to make money. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to give you no FUD, no FOMO, no fear, no greed. I simply pay attention to the price to see where price is going to go. So now, obviously, when I last did my price prediction in AAVE, you guys can see it right now in front of you. The last time I did a price prediction went back as far as the beginning of March, February the 28th. You guys could go back and listen and see the video. It is still available in my playlist. I was looking for the market in AAVE to go up then. Now, obviously, it was a buy at that particular moment. Yes, AAVE was a buy on February 28th, 2022. What about now? Because look at the price action now in AAVE. It's coming back down. Now, what do you think? We need to talk. So first of all, let me say congratulations to anyone who was able to at least get 19.5% out the market in AAVE. If you were to get out today, you are still profiting from that price prediction of 32%. And if you were to get out at the high of $260, you would have garnered almost 93% profitability without the confusion. Yeah, this is easy. Now let's get rid of it. Now let's see whether or not AAVE is still a buy or is it a sell now? Because I want you all to pay attention and focus in on this here line. I want you all to pay attention to this line right here. Okay, because it was acting as a point of restriction, meaning that every time AAVE's price came up to this line, it got rejected and price came down, except when it came to this day, March the 29th, 2022. The buyers took out the trend. It took it out. But now guess what? Here it is today. We need to see the buyers bounce price off of this line, because if it does, it confirms that that is the support line now. Okay, so we are literally here now to pay attention to see if the buyers are going to confirm AAVE's price off of this line, because this is what we want to see. We've seen the price come down. Now what we want to see is the buyers come in and bounce price off of this line and begin to ascend, to begin to go back up in price. That is the idea that we need to see, because if so, then we know AAVE is a buy. It's just that simple. Now, if price does not hold that trend as support and we fall below it, then we definitely know that the market is weak and it's a sell. See, everything is contingent on what market participants do on this line. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to extend this out further. Yeah, we're just going to extend out the line to confirm and see if the buyers are going to be able to hold it. Okay, that's it. Because we are still in a downtrend. Like, don't get me wrong, but the market will trade like this though, right? It'll do like this to maintain its ability to go down. It will trade right alongside that line and hold it as support. But that still confirms that that's not a buy. Look at it. The trend is still going down. What we want to see to confirm a buy is like this. Let the price go massively up higher. That will make it a buy for AAVE. So let's see. This is AAVE on the 2-day, right? And currently I'm not too bullish. No, I'm not. I had to keep it real with all of my people and my subscribers. Look at this. This is it on a 2-day time frame. Look at this 2-day price bar. We're still in a weakness phase into the market in AAVE. Okay, 3-day. This is even weaker, right? Look at this. We have 8 hours and 10 minutes left, and currently the price is still closing on the low end of the price bar. That is weakness. So right now, it doesn't look as if the market is going to try to hold this trend. I'm looking around 160. Okay, for the buyers to try to come through and stand up price. They cannot let price fall below $160. And I'm talking about the buyers. The buyers cannot let price fall below 160, because if they do, then we're going to be in store for a bigger movement to the downside. This is AAVE on the 5-day. You can see it for yourself. Weekly. 2 weeks. Look at that. The very crucial area that the buyers are staging their comeback is right here. This is where the buyers will have to come back and stage a comeback and bring prices up higher. I'll say like $165 to $160. It's just that simple. All right. So check this out. So we're going to go ahead and look for the price in AAVE to continue to go down. Okay. Now I told you 165 will have to be a price target. We need to be prepared for the buyers to possibly make a comeback here. That gives us 7.25% movement to the downside. We can eat off that. We can profit from the market and leave, and then go back long and expect the price to go up in AAVE. That's my first area. My second one is 160. That's 10% movement to the downside, right? Now, we break 160 to the downside. I'm looking for 150. Okay. Now you guys can see from what I'm expecting that I'm not really looking for a detrimental movement to the downside yet. No, I don't see that being distilled on the charts. I'm still seeing the market as being weak, but it's not extremely weak to like I'm looking for the price to come down to $80 right now. No, I'm not looking forward to that. Not yet. Okay. And we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in AAVE unless we see price trade back up above $215, give or take. And I'm going to ultimately lower the price target down to $136. Okay. So let me give you the price target run through again. The first one is 165. The second one is 160. The third is 150. And ultimately, if we continue to see the weakness on a long-term basis, 136. All right, that's it. I'm done. That wasn't hard now, was it? No. All you had to do is pay attention to the money, because money talks. Yeah. What you and I do when we come in and hit that buy button or come through and hit that sell button is being recorded, and you cannot erase it. Once it's recorded, you cannot go back and change it. So now I want to know, drop me your price target, your price prediction in AAVE. Let me know, where do you think price is going to go? I've shown you mine. You've heard what I've said as to why I think price is going to continue to go lower. So now it's your turn. Drop me your price prediction. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.